For this repair, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and replacement part. Keep all removed screws and parts for later reassembly. Before starting, power off Bob by pressing and holding the play button. Next, remove the battery. Remove the 2 screws on the battery cover to access the battery. Unplug the battery and set it aside. Remove the front wheel assembly. Using a flathead screwdriver for leverage, pull up on the assembly. Next, remove the side brushes. Pull up to remove them. Then, remove the main brush. Pinch the tabs on the brush gate and lift. Lastly, remove Bob's dustbin. Now you're ready to open up Bob and access the mainboard. Remove the following 8 screws on Bob's underside. Then, remove the 8 screws for the bumper attachments. Remove the bumper attachments and set it aside. Flip Bob over to remove the bumper. Disconnect the circuit plug that is connected to the bumper. Then remove the bumper. Now it's time to lift Bob's cover. Carefully lift the cover. Disconnect the 2 circuit plugs connected to the motherboard. Lift the cover and set it on a flat surface. Now it's time to replace the right sensor array. First, disconnect the circuit plug connected to the mainboard. Then, lift up the sensor bracket. Apply pressure from underneath to pop out the sensor. Lift up the bracket and sensor. Install the new sensor array. Reconnect the circuit plug. The sensor array is now installed. Now is time to put Bob back together. Connect the 2 circuit plugs from the main board to Bob's camera. Once connected, close Bob's cover. Reinstall Bob's bumper. Reinstall the bumper attachments. Reinstall the 8 screws on Bob's underside. Replace the dustbin, the main brush bracket, and main brush. Replace the side brushes and wheel assembly. Lastly, replace the battery.